Yes, Bhavya, can you hear?
Yes.
Okay, so listen, Bhavya. Today we'll learn the lesson number 21. Busy at work, that internal organ. So it will comes for a semester exam. Okay,
Yes.
and other two, Ali Hassan and Kedar, it will come in your second semester. Okay, so once his portion will over, because only two portion are there for Bhavya. So once his portion will over, we will do our revisions. ओके अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ चैप्टर्स डिफिकल्टी हो रहा है, सो प्लीज मैसेज मी, सो वी कैन इंक्लूड मोर क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दैट चैप्टर. ओके, इज इट ओके? शो योर थम्स. Yes, am I audible? Yes, am I audible now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with lesson number 21, busy at work, that is internal organs. Okay, so I will share my screen. So can you tell me what are internal organs?
Like stomach.
Okay,
Eyes.
eye is an internal organ. Eye is an internal organ.
Liver. No.
So what are the difference between internal organ and external organ? What are the difference between internal organ and external organ? Yes, come on. Okay, in your body. Yes, come on.
Internal organ
There are?
inside the body part.
Yes, very good. And external organs? Where we can see these external organs? External organs? Internal organs are present inside the body parts. And where we can see external organs?
Just outside the skin.
Outside the body. So can you give some examples for external organs?
Eye. Ear.
Yes, very good. So internal organs are those organs which we cannot see. Okay, if we want to see, we have to take scanning, we have to take X-ray. Okay, but external organs we can see directly. Okay, now first there is an activity for you. Be ready with your book and pen, and you have to draw a human outline on your book. Clear? As it is shown on the screen, you have to draw a human outline. Samjha?
Like this.
Means we are not doing any competition, drawing competition. You just it's okay. Like that also you can draw. Just a human outline. And Bhavya, if it is possible, please turn on your camera.
Means it is not working.
Okay, fine. Okay, so I will explain what you have to do. See, is my screen visible?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay, so what can you see on the screen? What is this?
There are body. Human figure.
Human, yes, human body. And surrounding this figure, you can see some organs. Which organ is this? Which organ is this? This one. Brain, okay. Which organ is this?
The lungs.
Lungs, okay. Which organ is this? Which organ?
Stomach.
Stomach, very good. Which organ is this?
Heart.
Heart. Okay, so these four are very, very important organs in our body, internal organs in our body. So now what you have to do, see, first brain. Where this brain is located?
In head.
Head. Okay, so brain is located in the head. Okay, so like this, other three organs you have to locate in your drawing. You have to draw where these organs are located. For example, heart, where it is located, you have to show heart on that outline. Clear? If it is difficult you to draw, you just write the name of that internal organ. Clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? If it's clear, please show your thumb. Okay. And after drawing, I want to see your books. Okay, so you will get 5 minutes. And once it's over, please notify me. You just want to show me in your drawings where these organs are located. Brain I have shown you. Now the remaining lungs, stomach, and then heart. Over? Okay. Heart, lungs, okay. Stomach, okay. Ali Hassan, 1 second. I will stop share so that I can see it properly. Ali Hassan, show me. Yes, Ali Hassan, are you showing? Bhavya, if your camera is not working, you just take it image, you just click a photo and send in the chat. Yes, Ali Hassan. Ali Hassan, he left. Okay. Is it raining there?
Yes.
Okay. No. Here also raining, so network issues are there. Okay. So now, tell me where lungs are located. Yes. Kidney. Where lungs are located? Show in your body where lungs are located. In your body, where lungs are located? Here. Okay, so lungs are located in the chest region. Okay, or we can, this cavity is known as thoracic cavity. Okay, human body is divided into 3 cavities. Here it is cranial cavity where brain is located. Here it is thoracic cavity where lungs are located. And here it is abdominal cavity. So in abdominal cavity, which organ is located? Yes, come on in. See, once again, I will explain. Human body is divided into 3 cavities. Okay. Top of the body, cranial cavity is there, where brain is located. Here chest region, thoracic cavity, where lungs are located. And here, abdominal cavity. So in abdominal cavity, which organ is located? From the lungs. Are you sure lungs? Yes, Ali Hassan, come on, tell me. In abdominal cavity, which organ is located?
The stomach.
Very good. Stomach is located in the abdominal cavity. Now, which organ is remaining?
Heart.
So, heart is located in which cavity? Heart is located in which cavity? Yes. Yes, Bhavya, heart is located in which cavity? Or simply tell me where its actual position. Where is the actual position of human heart? Where it is located? Chest. So, in chest, which cavity is present? In chest, which cavity is present? Thoracic cavity. Okay. So, chest, heart is located in between the lungs. Okay. Heart is located in between the lungs. Clear?
लेफ्ट में रहता है ना हार्ट?
हाँ, लेफ्ट साइड में, बट इन बिटवीन द लंग्स इट इज स्लाइटली टिल्टेड. ऐसा टेढ़ा है, लेफ्ट साइड में थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है हार्ट. ओके, क्लियर? ओके, सो ब्रेन, you know where these internal organs are located. Okay, so in this chapter we have to study about 4 different systems. So in body there are different systems. Okay, so first system is respiratory system, then digestive system, then circulatory system, then nervous system. So this main 4 systems we have to study in this chapter. Yes, Bhavya, what happened? Why did you raise your hand? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So now tell me, what is respiration? So first we'll discuss about respiratory system. So what is respiration? Okay, do one thing. Everybody inhale air. Everybody inhale. Inhale. How you will inhale?
With nose.
Okay, so show me how you inhale. Okay, so while inhaling, what's happening?
So breathe in and breathe out.
Yes, we take air inside. Okay, and how we exhale?
So breathe out.
Breathe out. Okay, so this respiration means breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so you just hold your nose for 1 second. Both nose, close your nose. How do you feel? How do you feel? Are you okay? Can you stay like this for 1 hour?
No teacher.
No. Why?
हम लोग को
Yes, we need air. Air is very, very important for our survival. तो ये air में से what we breathe in. When we breathe in, what comes inside our body?